Alright, welcome to Live 4. So Live 4, what I would like to focus on right now is to set up our two repositories on Git before to go further. Well, I said Git, I meant GitHub. So because we have been using Git, I have just created a new organization on my GitHub profile. So if I go to my profile, and I have just set up this organization, launch in public. This is what we are doing. We built in public. Built in public was already used by someone. So if I just do that, build, perfect. You see, it was already used. And this is why I have decided to use launch in public instead. Sounds good? So we have here repositories, and what I will do, I will create a new repo, and Dairy here to be Dairy backend. That's our application. Dairy backend. The Dairy backend app, perhaps. Let's do that, and we will keep it as private. So we create that one first. Now, so I will quickly go to iTerm, which is my terminal. And here, yes, let's copy this one, and we will add it. That will be the remote, because now if I do git remote v, I'll have anything. So I need to add a remote, and I can do git push origin. I will do git push. Yeah, git push origin, yeah. I can use a U flag, which is upstream. Git push origin U main. And, well, that's optional actually, the flag U. But it's a good practice to do it. And okay, so we have done already for one. This one you will see the code, beautiful. Amazing, lovely. And now we will do the same. We will add a new repo for here. Dairy, oops, I don't know why I have my contacts showing up. Dairy, and here to be mobile app. Perfect. Dairy, I just want to make sure it's a Dairy app. If we don't have a better name. Oh yeah, journal app. Yeah, it could be journal as well. So we do like the Dairy journal React Native app. Perfect. And we can create that one. And here we can just close that one. The other tab. Oops, sorry. What I'm doing. Yeah, that tab. So I'm closing it. And let's just copy this one. And we will go back, but here in our mobile app Dairy. Oops, sorry. I think I didn't copy the right one. Perfect. And now we have the remote. We do git push u origin main. Beautiful. We push that. Awesome. Now it's done. And if I refresh, it should be there. Amazing. It's there. So you see, now I do git status. Oh, I have, oh yeah. Let's delete. That one was, now we have created the app root. But before I was planning to add our React Native routers in navigation root component. Both ways are valid, but for now we just remove that, and I will commit this, remove unused navigation component. Perfect. And I will just do git push, and here I will check. Oh, I think it's because of the, yeah, I did some changes there. I will take the opportunity to install TS Node. If TS Node wasn't installed, if I just do a cat package.json, and you will see I'm planning to use TS Node, which is there. So I will do, normally you have to install TS Node in the dev dependencies, but here, because I'm using it also for the normal start, with, of course, very importantly, the transpiled only. So transpile it means it will not have the TypeScript check with this flag. So that's important. Transpile only. Use that one. I wonder, wait 1 second, because I think I don't say it well. Just to be sure. So
transpile,
yeah, okay. And if you check transpile only flag, okay, we can check that. It's only to not have the TypeScript check here in production. So the founder, I mean the person who built TS Node recommends to use the transpile only if you use it on production, and so it will not have the type check, you see, in production when you're not using. Otherwise, TSC combination with class node, and so if we check footprint as no type, it will have lower memory. Footprint as no type information will be generated. So the type information will just be ignored. And of course it's not the ideal solution, but for us for now, just to make everything easier, just for now, that will be just a short-term option to make our building public project a little bit just straightforward, a bit more straightforward. We will do that. So npm install, and here ts node. Awesome. We are installing that one. And it didn't work for whatever reason. Oh, that's funny. If I do the F flag. Yeah, I will just remove that. Let's see. I think the F flag is not a thing with npm. There's an issue with the cache, isn't it? So npm cache clear. npm. Let's just make sure. I will quickly Google that one, because let me just install everything. Okay, and now okay, it looks all good now. Verify cache clean. Oh wait, it wasn't clear, it was clean. Oh yeah, and this yeah, have options. Okay, so with the F, so force flag is also a thing with npm. So now it should be okay actually. We have installed it, so I will quickly do a git add. You see we have npm node, ts node, sorry, and I will just say yes to everything here. So we have the ts node, so here install ts node for backend, and I will try it. Let's do that. npm start. Let's have a look. Oh, we still have a little issue. Oh, server, yes. I think it's because I copied paste from my other project, and that was, oops, I will do code. Okay, and here it's not server. No, it's src. So let's have a look. app.ts, yes. So we just rename this list to app.ts. I used it from my live routine tracker app, and there I have server.ts. So if you wonder which one it is. Mobile, yeah, I will show you. It's from there. And if I go to server, that's my app there. And I have just, that one is something I have built for 2 months. And so it's a little bit more stable. And there I have used the server.ts. That's the way I designed it. So we can just have a look there. I've built it actually for longer than that. For quite a while actually, since last year. So this app, you see, it has server.ts and yeah. And then after I use also plugins and I use the roots there. The architecture is just a little bit more complex because I have more endpoints. You see, there are definitely more endpoints there. So I will just close that one for now. We will go back here. And now, did I save what I did here? App.ts. And I think we renamed everything. So I can just also commit that. Rename server.ts to app.ts. Very important. Perfect. And here now we can do npm start. Let's see. We just need to wait. And we have the same error. So I will really have to find it out why. Well, that's okay. We will find a long-term solution for that. I'm just thinking a little bit why it's still giving us this one, Fastify. I will quickly go there. Yeah, let's have a look on live 5. How can I rest? I think it's not really exactly what we have. It's not the same error. Oh, let's have a look there. I have to use something, so... Yeah, it's an interesting error. Anyway, I will check that later. So that's all for today. You see now we have our 2 projects, our backend and our mobile app on GitHub. It's safe to always commit all of your changes and just to commit this. You never know, maybe, you will have your laptop being stolen and you will not be able to access to the data anymore if it's only on your local hard drive, or maybe your laptop will just stop working, or maybe there will be something else. It's always nice to make a backup, and for that, commit your changes and push them on a Git hosting service such as GitHub. It's a really good idea. That's all for today, and see you in live 5.